sir, man. The old Hillside spot. It's been a while. There's something's under that bush. I saw him run under there. Killer. We'll get him out here in a second. So my name's Craig, you guys. High Desert Agro RC. And man, it has been a while since I come to the Hillside spot. Do a little bashing. It's been a long time, man. So it's the 4th of July today. And man, this is how it all started. Right off the back of the hoopty, man. One car, just a little bit of gear right near the house, man. Wow, what a trip, man. To, you know. This is the very first Nitro platform I got a hold of, were these 7-scale Kyosho Scorpions. This is a kit build. This is the very first kit I built, but I have 2 other Scorpions that were RTRs, and I just bought them up. I thought they were bitchin', and they're 2-wheel drive, you know, and yeah, man, just fun times, you know. They kind of simulate a 5th scale in a way. So what I'd like to do before this battery runs out on this GoPro, it's getting low, is just get 10 boomerangs. So let me just get this thing warmed up and just carve this place up a little bit and have some fun. Novarossi 28.8 RCR drag modded. It idles so killer, so killer. So, oh, running really low. Let's just see if we can get up and down this hill. Alright, let's just have a little fun. I don't have a temp gun with me. It's working pretty hard in this grass. So, we'll just see what we can do over here. Give a little look at the body on. I painted the body. That's what it looks like. More of a 5th scale spot, really, but it's good to run the Scorpion. It's a rad day. I'll take a couple more blips, not much. I think it's working a little too hard here. So it is grass. It's hard to tune for it. I see smoke. This thing will it won't quit. I haven't ran this modded Nova 28.8 in a long time. It's pretty fun. So, some battery. Let's see what we just can get on the pavement here. Yeah, it's fun. It's pretty much all I can do with that here. I like the Hillside spot. It's good for fifth scale. These Scorpions have always, it's been hard to find places to run them. I wish this grass wasn't so this, so that, whatever, but I mean, it could work. Maybe I could put some Badland Truggy tires and just, I don't have a temp gun with me, so I don't know what the hell the engine's up to. So yeah, I wish I grabbed a temp gun. It would have had me stay here longer, but really impressed by this Nova just idling for days. My God. These are a strange platform. They have a slipper clutch. So I probably haven't even ran these often enough to really even know what a good, if it should be faster or what. They're fun though, man. They're it's just a cool car, man. I got 2 tuned pipes special for these Scorpions from Japan. Probably, who knows, we'll see those again. So the stock pipe that came on these is pretty shitty. So I was lucky to find these tuned pipes, and I think they sound awesome. I'm loving it. This thing won't go away. You can't kill it. run won't end. This run won't end. I think this engine's actually getting better. I've hardly used it since I got it. Jesus, it's going right up that now. Fuck, that is power. That is fucking power, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Drag modded, dude. That's what I wanted to do with the drag modded engine. Go right up that, man. Two-wheel drive platform. That's exactly what I wanted to do. I've had this engine for like 2 years. It's the first time I've been able to do this with it. Just that. That's all I wanted to do with the drag modded engine. Holy shit. I am impressed. I am really impressed. Drag modded engines are the shit for bashing, dude. I have an LRP 32 that's drag modded, and it's coming here. Oh my god, this thing just woke up. When I first started, it was just kind of sluggish. Damn, this is fun. This is hill climbing. This is full-on hill climbing. That's what I want to do with the Scorpions. I want a nitro hill climb. Just like that, man. Just like the big sand rails. Holy man, that is fun shit. I've said later on like 5 times in this video, I can't stop. I fucking can't stop, dude. Perfect. It's exactly what I wanted to do with this car. Just that. So stoked. Let's get off the hillside. That's too fun. I'm still on. Camera won't die, car won't die, the LTD won't die. You can't kill it. Hybrid, my favorite, dude. What up, Hybrid? This is for you, man. Bashers. So fun, man. Never forget. The 86 LTD, you can't kill it. Thank you, buddy, for the entertainment, man. I've been watching the shit out of you, brother. You are fun, fun, fun. That's why I'm here, because of you, man. Later, guys. I'm gonna try to do 30 for the Nitro Gang while this is freaking idling. This tank won't quit. Haha, 29 for the Nitro Gang. It won't die. I can sleep here. I love the way that Nova sounds. Wow. I think I just had my most funnest bashing session ever. Holy shit. Holy shit. It only took, I've had those cars for almost, well, they were on A-Main in 2018. That's when the Scorpions were on A-Main. Well, that's when I saw them on there. Maybe they were on there a year prior, but today, just now, was the funnest session I have ever had with the Scorpions. And I gotta say, the drag modded Nova 28.8 really helped. They come with pretty good engines, Kyosho engines. I gave them away. You know, they were pull start, and so I picked up a Kyosho starter box. It has the wheel going the other way, not your normal 8 scale way for our buggies and truggies. It goes like diagonal. So I got a starter box to hit those things, and man, I am stoked. So we'll really try to carve up this hillside spot, man. Unbelievable. Holy shit. Super fun times. Oh, sorry, Cindy. Thanks, Cindy, for my cross fest shirt. I don't want to get it too thrashed.